Hi, my name is Alexander Buitrago Pinzon. I am 37 years old. I'm from Bogota and live here, the same city. I am married with my wife. We don't have childs or pets. I am TV producer and thanks for this profession. I have been to other cities and other cultures and countries. I was in United States, Mexico, and others. Okay, this is my final post from my last vacation about one happy island, Aruba. Aruba is amazing. The last vacation I went to Aruba. I stayed here 10 days and went with my wife. I like it because it was not expensive. I paid $1,500 per person, all include hotel, car, food, tickets for 10 days is very cheap. I like it because there were a lot of places, for example, Baby Beach, Eagle Beach, California Lighthouse, and Natural Bridge. Natural Bridge is very interesting. I like it so much because it's a bridge did by the sea into the rocks. It's amazing. I like a lot. In this picture, this is Natural Bridge. This other picture, sorry, is a California lighthouse, and this is the downtown in Oranjestad. Is very wonderful. Okay, about the weather of Aruba. Aruba is very sunny. Some areas are desert and breezy. The mornings are usually very cold and the afternoons are warm, but it's excellent time for walking on the beach and go to shopping. If you plan to go to Aruba, I give you this recommendation. You have better have the passport. If you can, if you have, if you don't have the passport, you can enter the island. You ought to buy your tickets early. I recommend the planning your trip 2-3 months before. The first months of the year are good for this job. The tickets are very cheap. After May, the tickets are high price. Before the May is more cheap. Before you trip, you should see to the web many tourist sites. It's a big help for you. Hotels, activities, tourist place. You could create a schedule so you take advantage of time. Is advantage for you. If you travel with your couple, you should take a dinner in a romantic restaurant. Aruba has many places for it. This is my wife and me into a romantic sea restaurant across in the sea is wonderful. If you wish walking for the streets, I recommend that you wear comfortable shoes and prevent leather garments. It's very warm. It's necessary that you put in some block and one cap in your baggage for prevent the insolent and use sunglasses. If you think going to beach, I recommend carry a towel, some drinks, and some block and snacks. For most important, enjoy it. You should rent a car. It's very easily and comfortable with a car. You can discover many interesting places and going to where you prefer. This is me and one car rent. Okay, if you planning to go to Aruba, you should go to Natural Bridge in Aruba. It's amazing. I recommend this site for you. If you will travel to Aruba, you should rent a car. It's very comfortable to try to run, to walk, to rig all island. In Aruba, you should walk the Orange Stand downtown. There is an attractive size. In Orange Star are many shops for you for gifts, clothes, whatever. What you children? The people shouldn't enter the casinos. They are very expensive and boring. In Aruba, you shouldn't walk from Baby Beach to California Lighthouse. It's very far away. California Lighthouse is in a coast, is a point across, is very far away to Baby Beach in the other side of the beach. If you planning walking, I don't recommend this. If you not swim, you had better not enter to the sea. Some beaches are very dangerous. Uh, it's así. Okay, these are my tips for you planning to go to Aruba. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.